All right, so we're ready to put on our diff cover, which, ta-ta-ta, got one. They're actually, because it's Dana 44, it's really, really readily available. So we got that going for us. All the Jeep off-road guys, they all run. A lot of them have Dana 44s, so easy to locate. Fairly low cost. Because if you try to order it from a T-Bird place, they'll be like, oh, it's like 120 bucks. No. Diff's been in stuff for years at this point. Like 70 years, maybe? Or close to it. So, gonna get this baby on. And then that's another step done. All right, so we got... We're on. Gotta tighten the bolts. I know we don't have the brackets in yet. I know somebody will nitpick at some point about it. So when we do the brake lines, then we will do the brackets. It doesn't harm anything to pull bolts out. Yeah, so plugging away. So everything lines up on our diff cover. The new hardware wasn't bottoming out, but the holes are funny. So anyway, I did have that one break off, but everything else fits. So I'm just gonna be drilling that out easily, and I'm gonna put old hardware back in. No big deal. But yay, not one I'm gonna put my finger through. All right, so we're letting diff cover mellow, because I did put just a scoosh of Gasca cinch on it, so I wanted to set up here. So we're gonna put oil in. Good oil. Good oil. This is something that I preach. You basically need this, or, you know, most parts stores have VR1. Getting it in a weight other than 2050 is a little hard, but, you know, Summit sells the Lucas here, and if you got over $100 order, it's free shipping. So, you know, you buy 3 of these and you're over 100 bucks. So free shipping. It's probably cheaper than getting it anywhere locally, having them order it or what have you, or even getting it from Amazon. So there's that going. But this stuff's good. It's basically Lucas's race oil without the high RPM additives. So kick ass for this car. All right, getting shocks out. Sawzall. Also cut them off the old brake lines right at the nuts, so it's easier. You can put a socket on it. Moving forward. That was easy. Sawzall is your friend. Ugh. Yuck. Yuck. Super easy when you can get a socket on those bad boys. But the plus side is the fluid coming out of these is really clean. So even though they're of horrible rust, etc., clean.